Hi, and welcome to the Business League. My name's Edward Plant, and I'm one of the founders, along with this beautiful woman just here, Rebecca Plant. Anyway, the Business League is all about connecting, developing, and growing your business. And we do that. You're registered for our event, which is a virtual online networking event. We're really looking forward to seeing you there. There's a couple of things I thought would be helpful for you in the lead up to the event. The first one is put the time in the calendar. Block it out, 6:30 to 9 a.m. Keep it all free. The second is jump on over to our Facebook group, the Connection Hub. Just search it in Facebook and get in there and introduce yourself. We'll welcome you into the community and you can start connecting with a big network of businesses around Australia. The third one is we'd love for you to get the most out of the event. So that in our world is profitable networking. So that's getting you strategic connections that are going to help you grow your business. So hit reply to this email and let me know who you're wanting to connect with so that we can facilitate that at an even deeper level during the event. That's the third. And then the fourth is if you are just wanting to get action, get clarity, work out how you can make your networking even more profitable, more than happy to offer a brainstorm call where 15 minutes we'll go deep quickly and I'll just help you improve your networking so you get the best results. So why do we do all of this? We do it so that you have a bigger impact in your world. We know that every business that joins the Business League has a bigger impact in their business, which has a ripple effect throughout their communities, and together we can make Australia better. But why do I offer my time and the event? Well, we want to get to know you. We'd love you to see what we get to do, really experience and know that it's an amazing group that's right for you. And if it's a fit for both of us, then hey, we could talk about you coming on board as well and how we can help you have even bigger impact. But just to start off, we figure, come to our event, experience it, get a heap of return, get some great value. And should that work out, then let's chat further. But the four things are calendar, Facebook group, hit reply and tell me who you're looking at connecting for, or four, for those action takers, book in a brainstorm call. Anyway, I just wanted to reach out, say hi, looking forward to getting to know you better and seeing you at the event when it happens. See you then.